Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another cook with me video, and this time I will be showing you how I cook my Ratchet chicken hibachi. So for the ingredients, we will be using a chicken thigh, an egg, frozen broccoli florets, rice cauliflower, salt and pepper, coconut amino acids, teriyaki sauce, garlic powder, minced garlic, paprika, onion powder, liquid smoke, and butter. I will be using my air fryer to cook my chicken thigh and broccoli. I typically line my air fryer with an aluminum foil for an easy cleanup at the end. And so for the chicken thigh, I'm pretty much using all of the seasonings to season the chicken thigh. And you'll see me set the air fryer on the highest temperature setting. And I will let the chicken thigh cook for 25 minutes or maybe a little bit longer, depending on how big or small the chicken thigh is. Also, please don't forget to season both sides of the chicken thigh, because you don't want to just only season one side and then the bottom part is just dry and crusty. So just make sure you season both sides evenly so the chicken can have the same taste, no matter, which side you're eating it. Again, I don't have the exact measurements for each of the seasonings. Again, I just kind of eyeball it. I just make sure I cover the entire top and cover the entire bottom of the chicken thigh. Just a quick tip, if you want the chicken thigh to come out just a little bit crispy and crunchy without actually frying it, having a batter, go ahead and just add some butter on top of it. And so by the time, it's time to flip the chicken thigh over, a little crust will start to form on the top of the chicken thigh. So about 20 minutes into the chicken thigh cooking, go ahead and turn it over so the bottom part of the chicken thigh can also get a nice crispy crunchy texture as well, and then let it finish cooking in the air fryer. Once it is done cooking, just set it aside. Now it's time to cook the frozen broccoli in the air fryer as well. I put it right into the same aluminum foil thing so the broccoli can pick up some of the juices from the chicken thigh. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. It's still gonna be good. So just let it air fry for maybe about 8 to 5 minutes, depending on how crispy or browny you want your broccoli to be. While the broccoli is cooking, I will begin cooking the fried cauliflower rice. Now this is extremely simple to make. You want to start off with low to medium heat on your stove, and then you'll go ahead and you add your oil or your butter or whatever you need to add so it won't stick as much on the pan. And then we're actually going to go ahead and scramble the egg first. And with the egg, we're just trying to give the illusion that this is really fried rice. So you can season your egg if you want to, whichever seasoning you want to add to it. Once the egg is fried to your liking, then you're going to turn the heat up on the stove, because we kind of want the rice cauliflower to be a little dry and not mushy. So turn the heat up and then add the rice cauliflower mixture. Make sure you're adding seasoning to this as well. I will be adding some of my coconut amino acids, which is just a fancier option for soy sauce, because I know a lot of people have allergies with soy products. This is a better option. I think it's even better on the sugar and the sodium and the calories as well. You can literally get this anywhere from any grocery store. I actually got mine from Target, and I believe it was about $5, if I can remember that correctly. And then I'm also just going to add some pepper and whatever else you want. This is yours, so just add whatever else you want. You can add garlic, onion powder. I typically don't add salt because the coconut amino acids is already salty enough, and plus the chicken is a little bit salty, so I don't add salt to this either. And so we're gonna let that cook for a while, because again, we want it to brown a little and just to let go all the moisture from it being frozen in the bag. Now that we are done with the rice cauliflower, let's take the roasted broccoli out of the air fryer, and then let's go ahead and cut up the chicken thighs into little pieces. Once that is done, it is now time to plate our food. Now, I'm actually going to put mine in a wide, large bowl. So I will start with putting the fried rice cauliflower in, and then I'll add the chicken, and then lastly, I will add the roasted broccoli. And of course, I wasn't going to finish with just that. I am also going to add some sauces and some seasoning. So I'm going to add the G. Hughes Teriyaki Sauce on top. And then I also had this random leftover sauce packet from Chick-fil-A. I believe it's the sweet and spicy sriracha sauce. It is so bomb, but it's the little green package. And I'll also add a few sprinkles of everything but the bagel seasoning as well to give it some more crunch. And after all of that, y'all, it should look something like this. Y'all, this is like the best recipe I've ever made in my life. Like, it's definitely something I could eat almost every single day. Like, it's just that good. So hopefully you all will give this recipe a try. I will try to list all of the ingredients in the description box below. So look down there if you just need, some clarification on what I used in this video to make my Ratchet chicken hibachi bowl. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also just comment below if you just want to say hey or give me any tips, or be mean, or whatever you want to do is fine. Just comment below and I will more than likely respond. But if it's something negative, I'll probably end up deleting it anyway. So yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and have a good night, and I'll see you all in my next video. I promise.